In this video, we're going over helpful tips for using an SD card with your LG K51. Hey everyone, thank you for joining us today. If you want to stay up to date on all the mobile technology coming out and learn cool tips, tricks, and hidden features, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and tap the bell to turn on post notifications so you can be alerted every time we post new videos. Today we're going to show you some cool, helpful tips for using an SD card with your LG K51. Starting with how to install the memory card. So, in the box of your phone, you're going to find this little tool. This is called the SIM tool. You can use this to pop out your SIM card. Now, if you don't have the box anymore and you don't have this, you're screwed. Just kidding. Find a paper clip, bend it, and what you're going to do is on the right side of the phone, you'll have your SIM tray. There's a little hole that you insert this in and just give it a good push, and the tray should just pop out like that. You're going to have your SIM card for the phone, and then we have our micro SD memory card right here. And by the way, I'll have a link below in the description for my favorite LG K51 accessories, and included in that link will be a bunch of deals on memory cards. So if you want to expand your storage so you can take more pictures and video, check out that link so you can get a memory card. There's some great deals on that list. So put the memory card in and just slide in that slot, push, and that's it. Now give it a few seconds. It's going to register that a memory card was plugged into your phone. It'll make some noise, and then once it's in, to check to make sure that your phone has registered the memory card and you can see it, you're going to swipe down. In the upper right corner, tap on the settings wheel, and at the top of the settings screen, just swipe up until you get to storage, and you should see device storage and external storage. So that's how you make sure that the memory card is being read by the phone. If you don't see SD card under external, then the phone may not support the memory card. So just FYI there. When you're going to take out the memory card, be very careful. Make sure you come to this section and tap this button here to eject it, or you could permanently damage the memory card or have your information erased. One disclaimer, you might get a pop-up that'll ask you to format the memory card. Now this tends to happen if you have used this memory card in other devices like a camera or a different phone or just something different. There are some scenarios where you do have to format the memory card before you can use it on your phone. If you get that pop-up, just be aware that if you hit the format button, it will erase everything that was currently on the memory card so that it can set it up for this phone. So if you have important files on there that you don't want to lose, you may want to think twice before formatting. My recommendation is either buy a new memory card that it doesn't have anything on it, so you don't have to worry about that, or plug that memory card into your computer and make sure you transfer any important files off first before you format it. If you do format it, again, you're going to lose all the information on there, so just important note. Okay. So now that we've made sure that the phone is reading the memory card, the next step is setting your camera so that whenever you take a picture, all your pictures and videos are now going to be saved to that memory card. So what we're going to do is just tap on the camera icon, and the first pop-up you'll see is going to say change storage. Change storage to SD card. You can just tap change, and now whenever I take a picture, it's not going to change, it's not going to save to the phone storage. It's going to save to the memory card. This is really important because it's going to free up a lot of storage going forward on your phone, because the memory card is going to be saving all the files and not the phone. Okay, so now we're going to go to our gallery app down here. And these are the few pictures that we just took. Go to albums. And what you're going to see is you're going to have two folders now that say camera. The first camera folder is not going to have this little icon in the corner. This is going to be the original folder that all the pictures you were taking were being saved to. This is the internal phone storage where those pictures are going. Now we'll have a new camera folder, and it'll have this little icon, a memory card icon in the corner, and that's how you know where all your new pictures are going to be saved to. They're all going to be saved to this new camera folder. So now you're good. All your pictures are going to be saved to the memory card and not the phone, thus freeing up important phone space. Now next, what I want to show you is how do you move your files, your old pictures, old videos, from the phone storage to the memory card. The reason you want to do this is because it's going to free up space on your phone. And that'll give you more space to download apps, for example, or to save other things to your phone. So I'm going to go to the camera folder. Now I only have 3 pictures that were saved to the phone's internal storage. So this is going to be really easy. For some of you guys, this folder might have a lot of pictures in it already because you might have brought in pictures from an older phone. So just FYI. So what you're going to do is tap on the 3 dots in the upper right corner and go down to select. And then you're going to tap each picture. Okay. Now, this might take you a while if you have a lot of pictures in that folder, but what you want to do basically is select each picture in that folder, so then we can go back here to the 3 dots and go to move, and I want to move them over to this new camera folder that has the memory card icon. And now it's going to move all those pictures off of my phone storage and move them over to the now memory card camera storage. Now that's the fastest way to move over all of your pictures. Now you may have pictures that you don't want to move over, and that's fine. I would tell you definitely go into that folder and look for all your videos, your really large file videos, and select them and move them over to that camera folder, just so you'll free up more of your phone storage. Because now those pictures and videos are going to be moved to the memory card. So there's that. Now, final thing, and this is sort of a sad disclaimer, but I want to be transparent with you guys. So LG has blocked the ability for you to save apps to the memory card. I know a lot of people probably came to this video to get that question answered, and unfortunately, LG does not allow you to do this. And I'm going to show you. We're going to go to settings. I'm going to go to apps, and let's see. Oh, that was the wrong spot. So go to apps, app info. So normally when you go to an app, this is on older LG phones, and you select an app, it'll have this extra option. You usually would go to storage, and then in this screen, there would be an option that would allow you to switch the storage from internal to the memory card. So I actually reached out to LG because I was, frustrated. I was like, you've always been able to do this on phones, and now you can't. And LG basically said that it's a feature that is blocked. They blocked it in this newer version of the phone, and you can really only do it on their older model phones. So unfortunately, there is no way without rooting the phone, which is basically hacking the phone, in order for you to be able to move those files over to the memory card. I don't recommend that, so I don't show you how to do that. And I don't root any of my phones either, because you run the risk of permanently messing up the phone. So ultimately, the goal in this video was to show you how to install a memory card, how to make sure all your pictures are being saved to the memory card, and how to move your old files over to the memory card. So I hope you guys found this helpful. Make sure you like, favorite, and share if it was helpful. Remember, in the comment section below, I'll have a pinned comment that will be a link to my LG K51 store. You'll find all my favorite accessories for this phone, including some great deals on micro SD cards for you to expand your storage. Thanks again for watching, guys. Take care, and as always, have a good one.